Welcome to Food Fanatix. Add 3 tablespoons suji, 2 tablespoons water. Stir lightly and leave it for 10 minutes. Add 2 cups of milk powder, 2 tablespoons butter. Rub lightly with your fingertips. Add 1 teaspoon baking powder, 2 tablespoons plain flour. Add the suji and water mixture and rub with your fingertips until it resembles breadcrumbs. Add 6 tablespoons milk and knead lightly. Cover and let it rest for 10 minutes. For the syrup, heat 3 cups of water. Add 1½ cup of sugar. Add 3 green cardamoms. ½ teaspoon saffron. Stir until the sugar dissolves. Add 2 to 3 teaspoons lemon juice. Roll a small amount of dough in your hands until it's smooth and has no cracks. If it's sticking on your hands, you can apply some oil. Deep fry on low to medium heat until brown. Remove and keep aside. Allow them to cool for 5 to 10 minutes before adding them into the syrup. Do not add them while they're still hot or they become chewy. Add into the sugar syrup and turn off the heat. Cover and let it rest for 2 hours before serving.